Hello, everybody. I don't know. We'll see if we're gonna do this often, but let's do it today. We got a closing bell right now. I'm watching Meta. Meta is super strong. So it was one of the first name that got a 5 minutes MACD golden cross once market opens. Even though it deep down, usually Meta dumps last few days. It was just dumping at the open and then running up later. But today it didn't dump, even though market opened red and it was bounced up and then gives good opportunity here again for a buy. And right now near close is running up. So this 5 minutes MACD is golden cross here and it's continuing going up. Key level to watch right now is 497.67. Um, so 15:30, 1 hour, everything is very bullish. I like that the daily we got a yellow bar, so it does have the potential for gap up. Definitely has a potential for gap up open. If 497.67 pass, we're looking at 499, 501, and 503.98 is on the next major level. If it gets very crazy, next major levels are those above 503. So yeah, so keep an eye on this one, but yeah, just keep in mind it's still market. A lot of names are still very bearish on the 4 hour, especially indexes. Let's go to ES. So as you can see here, yes, we are still very bearish on the 4 hour TTM squeeze. A lot of names, 15 and 30 MACD is golden cross. But yeah, if there is any symbol you're interested, let me know. And a lot of names are 15 and 30 MACD is golden cross. But if you notice, premiums aren't moving that much. So I was playing SPY, this one. I played this one actually. SPY, what is it? 520 expiration in 3 days. In 2 days, like if you don't count 2 days, and expiration 404. So this one was just up and down between 120 and 130, between 1 and 120 is going up and down, and right now went up to 140, but it's still pulling back. So you can see here 30 MACD is golden cross on this premium, but it's still very bearish on the 1 hour and 4 hours. So once the 1 hour get a golden cross, maybe we go for a bigger jump up. So yeah, you can use technical on the premiums. Anyhow, back to there. NQ, same thing on ES. We are still very bearish on the 4 hour, but it's interesting that the 1 hour is curving up and we got a yellow bar. 30-15 is MACD golden cross. Tomorrow is like a 50% chance. So either we're gonna dip down a little bit, then bounce up non-stop, go up into the Thursday, and then all up to job report on Friday, or it's possible to have a big gap up open. I mean, we'll see. 30 MACD is golden cross, so that's really bullish on a lot of names. And if the 1 hour MACD golden cross after close on many names, and there is some data coming up pre-market tomorrow, and on top of that we got Powell talking tomorrow too, so that's a big thing. You can look at the economic data, go to trading view, product, economic data, you can see all the scheduled things going on there. Anyhow, let's go to other names. Nvidia, I liked it a lot this morning. 15 and 30 MACD once it get, once yeah, once the 15 MACD golden cross, it had a nice jump up, and right now it's just consolidating into the close. I like that the 1 hour is golden cross. 4 hour we got the TTM squeeze, we got the yellow bar. So watch 900, needs to break 900. 903 and 911 are the next major level once it pass 900. If 9 or 11 pass, a market gets crazy bullish into the week. We're looking at 917, 927. Those are the next major level. Nvidia, I liked it a lot today. It was very interesting once it bottomed, and the 5 minutes, 15 minutes MACD golden cross. Let me fix this. My computer is slowing down. Too much going on right now. So once the 5 minutes MACD golden cross, it did a golden cross here, but then it pulled back again. But once the 15 minutes, you can see here, gave a yellow bar. TTM squeeze gave a yellow bar. That was a good, that 5 minutes MACD golden cross was more reliable once it gives a yellow bar. So at this point, 885 was a major level. 885 pass was a nice run up there. AVGO is interesting. What else you got? AVGO. That one is getting back to 1341. So let me just check this. I was looking at, one second, I want to check AVGO. Uh, so yeah, I was looking at the 1400, the strike for next week, and it keeps going up. This one, 1341 is the next major. 1 hour is curved up, so if 1341 passed, 1345, 1352, back to 1359. What else? Coin was very interesting this morning. very nice jump ups. I was watching playing and also watching 270 call for next week. Just buying more time to be safe. So let's go back to coin. This one was very interesting. It went down as low as 4, but then went as high as almost 7, I think. So yeah, coin watch 248. I like that the 4 hours golden 1 hour's golden cross, 4 hour we got the yellow bar, and watch 248, 248.49. If that one can break, next major levels to watch is 249, 251, and 254. What else? Netflix, interesting too. Um, Netflix to do 4 hours near Golden Cross. 15:30, 1 hour is upwards, so it's all about 613. If 613 passes, we're looking at 616, 619. What else you got here? Let me see. Meta, I went over it. Tesla, unfortunately, Tesla, we have to have a moment of silence for it. Rest in peace. But anyway, joke aside, this one, poor Tesla, um, factory was closed for 1 2 weeks in Germany and lots of problems. So anyhow, the numbers came lower and it dumped. Right now it's hovering around 166. Very bearish still on the weekly as it was before. Daily is curved down. 4 hour was dead cross before the release of the report, and right now it's continuing there. And 1 hour is still bearish. So this one, it tried to do a jump up midday, but then again failed and went lower. So probably some consolidation ahead. We'll see what tomorrow is going to be. 168 and 164, those are the two next key level you want to watch. Breaks either one can have a bigger move. Above 168 can go for recovery to 170. I like to see 1 hour MACD golden cross and some sign of bullishness on the 4 hour before playing more calls on it. But if 161, 67 and 158.95 breaks, then prepare for a more flush down. 154, 149, 146. Yeah, anyway, enough of that one. Microsoft. Microsoft, nothing exciting today. It came back about 420. 1 hour is not golden cross yet, so if it runs up, 424 is next. AMD was very bearish this morning, and it stayed bearish until midday. It was stayed longer bearish than all other names. 30 MACD is finally near close is golden cross, but this one very bearish on the 4 hour and weekly. You can see here weekly get dead cross, and the 4 hour is dead cross. So gotta be cautious. Better to day trade it. Near close, nothing much exciting happening. No jumps. So I'm gonna stay live. If there's any symbol you're interested, let me know in the comments. Let me see. No comments. Okay. Let me look at my chart. Symbols. Gold still keeps going higher. Saw some people locking profit. Daily and weekly is still very bullish upward. This one, my next long target is 220 F04. Let me just try Fibonacci here. 206, 97, 220, 04. Yep, so 211 is a key level to watch there, already above 210, the major level. So if it 211 passes, we're looking at 215.05 next key level. Again, tomorrow we'll see what's gonna happen. Meta is still very strong into the close. What else you got here? MU is coming up. All right, MU 30 minutes just MACD just golden cross, so 123, 124.72 next key levels. Yep, that's pretty much it. Meta, with the way it's going, I don't want to say this week very low chance, but the small chance is there. But I like that the yellow line is there on the TTM squeeze. So if this goes and job report good, maybe next week comes. Anyway, thank you so much and have a beautiful day.